Hey, good afternoon. Paul McMahon here with Forex Smart Trade. It is Tuesday afternoon, uh, June 10th, 2025, just a minute or so after 4 p.m. And I am going to go over my overnight trade setup, trade that you can copy and make some money on. Last night, the trade we took closed profitably. This morning on the live trade, we took two trades. They both closed profitably. So purpose is to let you see how simple and accurate our proprietary trading indicators are and help you evaluate if there's something that you could use to make some money for yourself. This is one of our simpler trades. We've got a dozen different trade strategies, and when we coach someone, we develop a customized trade plan based on their availability to trade and their risk profile. Well, this one is, as I said, one of our simpler trades. Only issue is you can only take it once a day, and that is in the last hour of the trading day after 4 p.m., but before 5 p.m. Now, let's take a look. We can take this trade off of both the Euro USD or the Pound Yen. Let's take a look at Euro USD first. It is done off of the day chart, and basically we are looking at what the green. You know what? I got to change glasses because these make it a little out of focus. Oh yeah, I can see that much better. The other ones are for like reading, like when it's close and the screen's just a little bit away. So, and I want to make sure I get it right. We are looking at what the green line on the major indicator is doing on the day chart. And here it's kind of in the middle of the chart. It was going down and it turned and it's now going up. So that's telling us buy. But we don't like to trade on one piece of information. So we are going to confirm it on the 12-hour and the 8-hour. 12-hour is supporting the buy, and it's actually the green line's going up quite steeply. So that's making me feel good. But on the 8-hour, it is oversold and going down slightly. So I want all three of these to agree. They don't. I'm going to pass. In fact, yesterday, we had a buy, and it was just barely. And actually, it's showing us a sell here. It was just barely going up. Had we taken it, it would have won, but I opted for the side of safety, so we didn't take it. But it would have won. Both this and this were barely going up. So let's take a look at the pound yen. So we're not gonna do anything with the Euro USD tonight. Today's trade pattern alert was a buy on the Euro USD, and that did close profitably for about 11 pips. And pound yen overbought, green lines coming down, telling us sell. But the 12-hour, middle of the valley here, telling us buy. Middle of the channel here, telling us buy. In fact, we got buy all across here. All 5 of these. There is a theory, more than a theory, that if you have all 5 of these saying buy, you could take a 22 pip buy. I am not going to do that because I stay with kind of the original version of it. But there's an updated version that says if these 5 are buy, it's a buy. I haven't back tested it enough to be confident to tell you to do it. I do know when we see these 3, that's a good one. If you want to learn to trade, best way to do it is find somebody who's good at it, get them to teach you. We think we're pretty good at it. We come on live. We do these live trades to show you how good we are at it. And we offer a trading trial where we'll give you access to the indicators and also give you some personalized one-on-one training so that you can evaluate these for yourself and see how easy and how well they work. All right, have a terrific day. We will see you tomorrow afternoon at 4:15. But no trade tonight. We don't have clear signals on either the pound or the EUR USD. All right, thanks. Bye-bye.